Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our first video in Python OpenGL programming. In this video we will introduce OpenGL, how we can install OpenGL with Python, and also we are going to make our first window in OpenGL with Python language. First of all, what's OpenGL? We will give a simple definition to OpenGL. Basically, OpenGL is an application programming interface, also we can call it API, which is merely software library for accessing features in graphic hardware. And also OpenGL is designed as streamlined hardware independent interface that can be implemented on many different types of graphic hardware systems. In this series of videos, we are going to perform modern OpenGL programming, where we have Vertex shaders and Fragment shaders that they run in GPU, graphic process unit, not in CPU. Also, as you know, OpenGL does not prepare for as window and inputs like keyboard and mouse inputs. So we need another package or library for our window and inputs. There are some packages in Python that we can use for window and inputs. For example, we have PySDL2, we have GLFW, and also we have GLUT. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make OpenGL window in GLUT, and in the next videos, I will show you how you can make window with GLFW. Okay. Now the first thing you need, you should install Python 3. I'm using Python 3. Also, you should have an IDE. I'm using pycharm IDE. Also, you should install PyOpengl package. For installing that, you can simply write pip install PyOpengl. Okay, when you install this, after that hit enter, PyOpengl will be installed. Okay, now I'm going to make my first window in GLUT. I'm using GLUT for this. I'm making a new Python file. I call it window in GLUT, like this. I'm going to import some package from opengl.gl, import all, and from opengl.glut, import all, also from opengl.glue, import all. Okay. Now the first thing you need, we should define our window width and height. And here I'm going to make two variables. First one is width and the second one is height. The width, for the width I give for example 800, and for the height I give it 600. After that I'm going to define a draw method in here, like this. And in here, the first thing you need, you should clear the screen. We can clear the screen by GL clear color, GL clear. We have GL underscore color underscore buffer bit. The second one is, or we can GL underscore depth buffer bit, depth underscore buffer bit. Okay. After that, I'm going to reset my position. You can reset your position simply by calling GL load identity method, GL load identity, like this. Okay. After that, we are going to swap our buffers. This swapping is important for double buffering. Okay, you can simply write GLUT swap buffers like this, and in here I'm going to write something. It is important for double buffering. Okay, after that we are going to initialize our window in here. Initialization like this. Okay, let me now in here, the first thing you need, you should initialize GLUT. You can simply call it GLUT init GLUT init. Let me comment initialize GLUT. Okay, then we are going to specify our the type of window. You can specify the type of window simply by writing GLUT init display mode. GLUT init display mode, and I'm going to specify it GLUT _RGBA. Okay, after this we are going to set our window size and height, width and height. We give it two variables in here. You can simply write GLUT init window size, and we give the width, the width, GLUT init the window size. Let me check this. GLUT init window, GLUT init window size. Let me write it again. GLUT init window size. I give the width, I give the height, and yeah, this two is just this two. This is width. Okay, after, let me write it in here, set window size. Okay, after setting our window size, we are going to set our window position. Okay, you can simply write GLUT init window position, and I give this 200 by 200. If you give 0 0, the window will be in here. Okay, in this section. If you give 200 by 200, the window will be I think in this section. 200 from the X and 200 from the Y. Window position. Okay, after this I'm going to create my window. You can simply write window GLUT create window, and you can give a title, Opengl window, and Opengl window in Python. And okay, now this was our window. After that, set the draw function callback, GLUT display func, and in here write your draw method, and the last thing you need, okay, the last two things you need. The first thing, we are going to perform our draw all the time. For this you can simply write GLUT idle func and write your draw method in here, and after that we are going to our main loop, GLUT main loop. Okay, now this is our code. Let me run this. We will receive an error in here. Let me run this. Where is the problem? Initialize GLUT. GLUT init. Okay. We have GLUT init. We have GLUT display mode, and we have GLUT init window size. We have window position. We have window. GLUT create window. We have GLUT display func. We have GLUT idle func and our GLUT mainlop. Okay. Opengl null. Okay. Undefined function GLUT init check bool GLUT init before calling. And here, when you are installing PyOpengl, the GLUT needs some DLLs that are not installed by installing. When you're installing in Python, you need to download separately those DLLs. We have two DLL. The first one is glut.dll and glut32.dll. You can do the for example, you can make path variable for this, and simply you can just copy this to. Let me copy this, and you can put these in your folder, Python folder. I will add the link of these DLLs, and you can download these. Okay. Now if I run this, yeah, now we have our main window. The problem was this DLLs. Okay, if I delete these again, and if I run this, you can see now I have again that problem, null function error. By this, you can just simply add these two DLLs, GLUT DLL and glut32.dll. Now if you run this, you can see that now this is our first window in PyOpengl and Python. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.